641 horsepower from a Kia. You heard that correctly. The 2026 EV6 GT just made every gas-powered hot hatch completely irrelevant. This is not the GT line trim your neighbor bought to look sporty. This is the real thing. The one Kia built to embarrass Porsches at stoplights. And it starts the moment you see it. The front end wears this aggressive new fascia for 2026. Those daytime running lights cut across the bumper like war paint. The hood has real vents now, not the fake plastic ones you see on economy cars pretending to be fast. Walk around to the side, and those 21-inch wheels fill the arches perfectly. The whole car sits lower than the standard EV6. It looks planted, it looks mean. The rear gets that full-width light bar everyone copies now, but Kia did it first with this platform. The GT badge sits right below it, small, confident. It does not need to shout. Step inside and the dual 12.3-inch curved displays wrap around you like a cockpit. The GT-exclusive bucket seats hug you tight with integrated headrests and neon green stitching. These are not decorative, they are functional. You will need them. The flat-bottom steering wheel has dedicated drive mode buttons. One tap switches between Eco, Normal, Sport, and GT modes. Another tap activates drift mode. Yes, Kia programmed a drift mode into a family-brand electric vehicle. The electronic limited slip differential sends power exactly where you need it. The rear motor can push everything backward for controlled oversteer. This thing wants to rotate. Materials throughout the cabin punch way above the price point. Soft touch surfaces everywhere your hands land. Real aluminum trim on the console. The build quality rivals German competitors, costing $30,000 more. The head-up display projects augmented reality navigation directly onto the windshield. Arrows float over the actual road telling you where to turn. It sounds gimmicky until you use it. Then you cannot go back. Rear passengers get decent space too. The flat floor means 3 adults can actually fit, though anyone sitting middle will feel the transmission tunnel that houses battery cooling components. Cargo space measures 24 cubic feet behind the rear seats. Fold them down and you get over 50 cubic feet. Practical enough for the weekly grocery run after your weekend track session. Now pop the frunk. There is no engine here, obviously. Just a small storage compartment where you would expect cylinders and turbos. But underneath this floor sits something far more impressive. Dual electric motors making a combined 576 horsepower normally. Hit that GT button on the steering wheel and boost mode unlocks. 641 horsepower, 546 pound-feet of torque. Available instantly. 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. That makes this faster than a Porsche Taycan GTS. Faster than most AMGs. Faster than a BMW M3 competition. From a Kia. The 800-volt architecture means you can charge from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes. Stop for coffee. Leave with a full battery. The EPA rates range at 206 miles, which sounds low until you remember this is a track weapon disguised as a daily driver. You are not buying this for road trips. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.